Guys, good night. How are you doing? How is your evening? Hope all is well. Yep, I hope all is well. What a way the week of fly fast. It's almost Thursday already. Yes, it's almost Thursday already. Good. Let me see if I can find the other pictures. One thing with this thing, you have to choose the something them if you go in at the green screen. If you not choose anything, you won't have much in there to put up. Yeah, that's just how it is. That's just the way it is. So I was just about to feed the dogs. So just about to feed the dogs. The dogs. Huh? Everyone? No, around there. You know around here, so. It around there. I'm gonna feed the dog then. I'm gonna put it on there. And then I'm gonna get nothing. So I'm gonna feed the dog them now, guys. Night I come down. I'm sure I give them something to eat before them go sleep. before I said before them go sleep, Lord God. Well, them do sleep as well, yeah. Dogs sleep. Everything sleep. Well, I don't know if ants sleep. But I am saying I don't know if they sleep.
I don't know real.
Eh? What sleep?
I know real.
What sleep?
I know real.
Rain.
Real.
Wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know so them sleep.
Oh, yeah.
Them sleep upright.
Yeah.
They elevate out of the water, so.
No, they now I'm up there and
That's what I'm saying.
yeah.
Them head elevate out of the water like this.
No, no,
Them they underneath the water, but them head up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Hi guys, good night. Me say the amount of things that my son know. Yeah. Some of the time me don't know, and him know. Yes. Yes, him watch a lot of Discovery Channel and all these things. Good night. How are you doing? Hope all is well. Me soon read the chat. May I do this? Me can't see the chat. May I put on the glasses? Can't see the writing, none at all. Well, me can glimpse. Me see the purple. Me see the hand wave something so, but the words blurry. Me can't see the words. So, I'm gonna give the dog this. Food for the dogs. Now I come down already, but I'm gonna feed them and come. 1 minute. I used to love watch Discovery Channel.
Yeah, no, why?
Oh, one time. The goat, the dog. I don't know why goat them love fruits, you know. Hear them and Lucy now. So hear one of them start ball out the dog. I rush him from out of there. They love food too much. They goat them. Yes, guys. So how is your evening? How are you guys doing? How is your evening going? My day was hectic as usual. And you know, most of the time, girl, the year I go and do some stuff in the meantime. You know, always doing something. Always doing something. What if the bathroom window lock up?
I know.
Hmm? Mm-mm. Okay. So you know the sign language too? Wow. You know a little bit of sign language? Okay. That's nice. Good night. How are you doing? Hope all is well. Yay. Thank you for joining my live. How are you? Man. How are you? Good morning. Thank you for the like. It's not morning, it's night. It's night time here in Jamaica now. Night coming down. Yeah. Oh Lord, I'm tired. Yeah. So night is coming down here now, you know? Yep. So we have night slowly approaching. That I talk on the phone. And it's a echo in my thing when I do here, so you know. Yep. I'm so tired. But what to do? How are you all doing, yeah? Thank you for joining my live. Thank you so much. What's up? How is everyone doing this evening now? Hope you're all doing great. Yeah, so today was busy, but okay, you know. Nothing out of the norm happened. Yes. Yeah. How was your day, guys? How are you doing on the live stream? You're amazing. Oh, oh Lord. You know, sometimes when you think say you're not good, you know, sometimes you're there, you know, and you think say you're not do good, and other persons come and tell you how good you're doing, you know. So that is a plus. Thank you so much, you know. Yeah. Sometimes you're there and you just think, say, well, then you're not doing. You know, sometimes we not think of ourselves as doing something great. But you know, when persons come and point it out to you, then you will say, okay, that means something is going on. Good. Yeah. Thank you so much. Are you a content creator? Guys, if you're new here, you know, connect so that I can come over as well too, you know. Yeah, watch a video, like, you know, I didn't share anything on my community post since week. So when I'm done, I'm gonna share something though on it. What did I share? I shared my birthday. And what else? I don't remember what else. I think I share someone else's video on it as well. So guys, you can also write on the community post as well, on the viewers post. Yeah, the viewers post, guys, you can post like if you're a chef or you go somewhere nice and you probably took a picture, you can post it on the viewers post. Yeah, or you look about a nice meal, you can post it on the viewers post. So you know, everyone will come and see it, and they will also come over on your side as well. So the community post, what I do, I normally share when I go over and watch somebody's video, you know, I normally share it on the community post as well. So you know, persons will see persons will see the great things that they're doing and come over to connect and watch something as well. So I normally share out a lot of persons on the community post. So big up to all the persons who have joined our community, and big up to all the persons who have not yet joined. You know, I know you guys soon join, and yeah, enough respect from A and I. Yep. So how was your day? Hope your day went well. Guys, you know that today when I was in Spanish Town, I saw the rubbish truck again. They were like taking up the rubbish, cleaning up the place. Yes, they work very hard. Yeah, every day they're there. Every day they come in the town to clean up the town. Yeah, so you know, when they get a little holiday, you know, the little rest, them glad for it. They're glad for it because every day they're out cleaning up, you know. Today I realized something when they picked up a part of the garbage. I'm telling you, the stench that they have to cope with on a daily basis. I'm telling you, the garbage smell real terrible. And then you know, persons were passing and like screwing. You know, they're setting them face away, but you know, the garbage collectors, they don't have a frown on their faces to take up the garbage. They don't cringe, you know. So big up to all of the garbage collectors out there. Guys, when you're passing and you see them, you know, don't just pass them like that. Say good morning or good any time of the day. Just say hi, you know. That kind of build them confidence more to see, like, you know, people calling to them and things like that. We must treat our garbage collectors good because I'm telling you, them keep the country clean. Yeah. When you look and see how them are clean up the place, clean up all that garbage, all that mess. You know, some of the mess them no smell right at all. But you know, it's a job that they're doing. They're doing their job. At the end of the day, that's their bread and butter, you know. But they have stories to tell. As in, persons may see them and just walk past them because of the work that they're doing. Look down on them because of the work that they're doing, you know. But you know, everybody can get the doctor work, the office work, and them work there. Somebody have to get the dirty work. Somebody have to do the dirty work as well. Because if everybody get office work and doctor work, nobody now go there to do the cleaning up work, you know. So big up to all the garbage collectors out there. We are proud of you all for just coming out to just do your work and, you know, keep the country clean. Yeah, keeping the country clean. What the Q&A is saying, like to cook. Yes, I like to cook. Yes, I like to cook. I would say I'm planning on cooking some steamed fish and okra with bami over the weekend. Yeah, I don't like the bone in the fish, you know, but that me feel like mother eat. That's what I feel like I would eat over the weekend. Some steamed fish and bami with okra. You know the slime on the bami, and it tastes real good. Put a little bit of cock soup in there. Tastes real good. Yeah. So instead of using the crackers, you just use the bami to wet in there and just make it steam with the fish. You can even use some coconut milk, you know. Coconut milk. Put some coconut milk in it and make the bami steam in it. Tastes really, 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 really good. I'm gonna do it over the weekend. The reason why I don't really eat fish like that, I don't really like the bone. The bone, I'm afraid of the bone. Yeah. But otherwise from that, I love fish. So that's what I want to cook over the weekend, guys. Some steamed fish and bami. Silent watchers, how are you doing this evening? Hope all is well. How was your day? How are you doing? Hope all is well. So who like to cook? Show hands. You know, sometimes you have some chef out there, may I tell you, them bad in the kitchen. Yeah? When you look and see something with them prepare and it tastes so good. I'm telling you. You want a whole heap of belly to eat down all of them goodies that they're cooking. Yes. You have to make sure you carry your doggy bag so you can put some of the goodies in there to bring home to eat later. Yes, I'm telling you. It's very, very nice when a person can cook, you know. Tastes really, really good. Whatever prepare, you eat it and you're well satisfied because, you know, the person can really, really, really put. All time people would have say them put them foot in it. Them put them foot in it. Yes. Same way so. You know, first time one vehicle that passed a while ago, the music. You know, say first time when you hear them say that, you know, you used to wonder as a child and you hear them say that, you used to wonder you stop eat and you look around and you look and you look. I think about it, you know. Say if I really their foot them put in it for you. You're wondering. But it's just a matter of speech. It's just a saying that they use when the food tastes good. Them say, no man, it look like I say you put your foot in it. Yeah, that's what they normally say. It look like I say you put your foot in it, man. Oh, it tastes so good. Thank you for the like. So that's how it is, guys. Love and love alone, you know. Night I come down, you know. Everybody have to just stay inside. You know, after the day you're busy on the road and you know you come home and just try to get things done and kind of settle yourself down. Yeah, that is it. So that's me, you know, and maybe some persons in the chat as well doing the same thing. I am so tired. You know, sometimes me sit down with the phone in my hand. And you know, like me I watch something and me I doze off or fall asleep. Yeah. Lord God. That happened to me a lot of times. A lot of times. Yes, guys, me there here are gone, you know. Thank you for joining. Thank you for stopping in. Thank you for stopping in. You can come down in the comment section if you want to. Say hi. Say hi. Oh. After me finish, I will try to see if we can get a nap. This is gonna be an early nap. Yeah. You know, I have to get up early in the morning. Get up early. Yeah. Prepare yourself to go up on the road. And things like that. So, yeah, make you tired out. Make you feel tired. It's the new year. Happy New Year, guys. If it's the first time you're joining, Happy New Year. Yeah. Look like this year I gonna move faster than last year. Lord of mercy. We're already on Wednesday. I'll move faster than last year. There's something in your I see. Yep. Guys, me just there and gone. You know you have to show up, so me tired but me still show up. And that is the greatest thing. One of the greatest thing is showing up. So when we show up, we can talk about stuff, we can create a topic to talk about. I just talked about something though. The garbage collectors, I just talk about. Yeah. So if you guys have anything that you want to say pertaining to what I was talking about, you can also say something as well. Yeah. Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining. Hello. How are you doing? How is your night? Thank you so much for joining. Redwood. How are you doing, Redwood? Hello. Heart. Like. Thank you for the like. How was your day today? Hope all went well. Redwood, that name sounds familiar. You know the lady that I used to live with, her grandkids name is Redwood. Yeah. Yep. Thank you so much for joining. Hope all is well on your side. Happy New Year. Yes. There I go on, relax a little bit because I am so tired. We get up from about after 4 this morning. From after 4. Tell you something, when me hear the clock, the phone alarm, me just jump up. I hear the phone alarm, me just jump up out of my sleep. One spring, me spring up. Jump up out of my sleep. Just get up right away and start do what I have to get done. Press uniform and all these things. Yeah. That's just how it is at daytime. Once school is in session, all of us who have kids will have a lot to get done. A whole lot. That's why most persons that don't have any kids as yet, sometimes they say, boy, I don't know how to manage. Sometimes them say, boy, I don't know how to manage. But we have to manage. We have to manage. Yeah. Yes. It's not easy, man. It's very rough at times. The amount of things that you have to do throughout the day. And it's like tomorrow again it repeats itself. Yeah, every single day. Every day. Yeah. Yep. So normally what we do on the live, we talk about a topic as well as we communicate with each other by just like how you're there now and we talk and make conversation, making conversation. That's what it's called. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So sometimes persons may come and they're having a bad day. They also say what how the day went and if they want to talk about it, they talk about it. Yeah. So persons in the chat or I would respond and say something as well pertaining to what happened to the person. Yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, sometimes we have fun over here. Hi, how are you doing? Thank you for joining. B. It's KK. Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining my live. How are you doing this evening? Thank you so much. KK's Kitchen and more. How are you? Up all is well. How is your evening? I can feel the phone I overeat already. Yeah. They are tired. I'm telling you. I am so tired. I would say super tired. So how was your day, KK? If you're still here. What a guan. Me no know. Me love hear that talk they see. Me don't know if I the part two me love so much, but me love hear that talk there. What a guan. Me dey hear me love. Happy belated birthday. Thank you so much, my darling. Thank you so much. Happy New Year. Yeah. Happy New Year. I don't remember if I see it since the year. Well, when I watch a video, I did say Happy New Year, but yeah. Happy New Year, my dear, to you and your family, and to everybody in the chat that I haven't seen as yet. Yeah, I'm just seeing you guys. Happy New Year. Hope the New Year bring lots of, joy and every good things that there is. It can give us this year. No hurricane. We don't want no hurricane. We don't want no hurricane this year. We ask Father God. We don't make we have none this year. Hi, how are you? Alex, how are you? All is well. KK, I laugh. KK, why you laughing? I say, I am good. I am sorry. I am just your only viewer. No, you're not. KK, why you laughing? Because you said no hurricane. That's not true. We don't want no hurricane. No hurricane I go. We don't want no hurricane. You know say sometimes when me look back on the live them for true, KK, me laugh, cause something when me say. Lord Jesus. Me laugh, me just bust out a laugh. Me say then that me did say. Yes, we don't want a hurricane, man, for real. So Alex said, oh, LOL. Yeah, man, other persons are here too as well. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, they're there, but they're in the bushes. That's what they call it, the bushes. So, silent watchers, how are you? Hope all is well. Yep. They're not too KK. We don't want no hurricane for you. Better if we get more food, more than hurricane. More food and roof. Roof over head and food. Yeah, man, it's not hurricane. You notice in January now, we get only per rain. Yeah. And them say like one system they out there. We don't know in January. Yeah, Jesus. In January. Just a big God for cover we and them blood, yeah? Cause, why rough when the hurricane come and blow off your roof and you is without roof. It's not a nice thing. So any hurricane we are planned to come can turn back. KK say you always greeting the silent watchers. Yes, you have to greet the silent watchers. I normally greet the persons who came in the comment section as well, but the thing is this with the silent watchers, I would say, if you know what I mean, the silent watchers, they're always passing in the background. So you have to big them up. As a silent watchers, you're large. Yeah. Persons in the comment section is also large as well, but the silent watchers, we want them to come out of the bushes. So we have to greet them until them start coming out one out of the bushes. Yeah. So eventually they will come out. Yeah, it's very nice to be in the comment section, like we can communicate and talk with each other and stuff like that. So, KK, just tell me if you want to go live with moi, just tell me. And if you want me to go live with you, just tell me. Yeah? And anyone else, silent watchers, who are a content creator and you want to go live with moi, just say so. Just say the word. Yes. I love going live together now. Sometimes when we go up on people's channel and they say, oh, you can come up in the box, and sometimes you feel shy if you come up in the box, But, because the thing is this, you're worried and wondering what, they're gonna talk about. They're gonna surprise you with something that you might not know or something, something always make you just kind of afraid if you not go. Lord Jesus, but when you go, you get to find out, say, it wasn't all that bad, it wasn't all that bad. So, it can work. We can do go live together sometimes. Yeah. The other day when it was my birthday, I leave the box. The link was on Facebook, and anybody could come up in the box, but I didn't have anyone at the time to come up in the box. I did a go live together recently. Yes, with Italian, mainly Italian. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So anyone else who want to go live with me, or if you want me to come over on your side and go live with you, I will also do that. I will also do that as well. But my favorite time is in the morning time. I don't know why, but to go live in the morning, it is very, very nice. You just feel ready. I am so busy. I hardly have time these days to do live. I am telling you, me just have to try find the time. You know, hear me there, so me tired. Oh, Jesus. My pulse just a go boop, 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 boop. Me tired, man. Really, really tired. My daddy, look here, tell you something. Today, my daddy, I'm edit one video, right? And in the height of everything, me just find myself I fall asleep. It's like me pause, me a type, and me pause over the phone, and like me a nod way so. I nod way, and me say, watch me asleep. Yeah, cause I was sitting around the dining table, and me have the phone. I was typing, and then me just find myself I fall asleep. Yeah, so why when Saturday come, I say thank God. It's Saturday. Seriously. I understand KK, me know say you not have time because you work and all them something there, and then you have to manage your channel and stuff like that. Plus other things that you might have to get done. It's very, very hectic. Yeah. Very, very hectic. Three time I get hot. What day my phone never did I overeat, I overeat, because the time I get hot. 4 person, 4 likes. Thank you so much, guys, for liking. Thank you so much for joining. And my comment section, big up yourself. Big up yourself, comment section. Big up yourself. On a lodge, big up on yourself. Yes, a big shout out from A and I to you all in the comment section. Yeah. So KK was saying I soon start live on the other channel. Okay, you open the next channel. That's awesome. That is awesome, KK. That's awesome. You know the other weight name that me have, me no look for see how much weight name there. But me say me I go look, Me I go look. Me I go test it out. I'm gonna look and see. Yeah. That is awesome. That is a good thing. Yeah. So this I definitely going live Saturday. Okay, I will come over then. I will come over Saturday while cooking for the house. For the homeless? Okay, that is awesome. That is awesome. That is awesome news, yeah? That is good. I thought you know my other channel. No, I don't. I didn't know you had a other channel. I didn't know. I know about the one that you had, the long time one. I didn't know you started a new one. I didn't know. So you can share it with me so that me can come over. Cause me not go know. You can share it with me. Is the same one. Oh. So you have one as one and one as, is it one? Oh, it go. One and two. Like you say, part one, part two. It's not new. Okay, okay. Okay. I watch that one. I watch that one on the TV though, you know. The one where you put up the mats and them something there. Me and my daughter come one day and say, Mommy, she look on the TV and she come back and she has solved the maths question. Yes, my love. She has solved the maths question on the TV. Yeah. She was trying to solve the maths question on the TV. I thought you had a next channel because I that may I pick up. Oh, Kenny, Kenny Bless Family Lifestyle. Okay. Kenny Bless Family Lifestyle. Let me put it on the TV right away. Music a pass. I know them ain't turn up the music so all the time, you know. I'm type in it. Yeah. So when I have it on me can watch. So me there right here, so go on the dining table, so my God is awesome. Alright, see me here, so hey, girl here, so three persons watching. Alright, so I'm gonna type it in. There's the at. And then go back. Alright, so I'm gonna type it in. Hopefully it come up. Kenny. Kenny Bless. Must keep going. We are a. That is good though, yeah. I know somebody come by the channel one at the time and never tell me say when we start the next channel we must give it name A and I 2. A and I 2. Yeah. A and I 2. Sometimes that's something that take a while to type in, you know, cause how me move slow eventually. But me I go on. Alright. Go back up there so the B and then the L. Oh. Alright. It is a dog here now. I won't see. It's a good look. It's a good move, my love. Good move. Alright, so I reach I collect the F now. And then the A. Alright, so I'm almost done. Family. Is it a F? F E. Is it 2Y or 1Y? Is it YI? YIF? YIF. Guys, 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute of your time, oh. Yeah. Lifestyle. Lifestyle. So, oh. Alright, so now look. Like when I type it in, it will show up eventually. So when it show up me, alright, I'm go find this one first. I type it in, so when it show up, I will watch it. Not show up yet. Finally, I don't type. Hey, this is what we don't like with the TV story. The typing, we can't bother. Yeah. So KK say, I don't think the lifestyle is okay. What odds are going for it? There are going, you know. When one of the time when I go up on somebody channel, I go look and see how far the went name today. Boy, I mean, I tell you, I don't know. But if per se, I don't know. If me start one next channel, I don't think, I don't know. I don't know if I do the live like every day or maybe now and then. Maybe now and then I do live. So KK say, make editor Amoy find it later. Yeah man, it a go show up. Me type it in already, you know. It a go show up. It will come up in my feed once me type it in. But sometimes it not show same time. So that. Oh Lord. It not show same time sometimes. The name is, yeah. The name is Kenny Bless Family Lifestyle. Yeah. You type it in. So it will come up in our feed. My little mommy asleep then now. She tired. So it will soon come up in night. Yep. I'll search for it on it until I find it. Mm-hmm. Oh, and family love. Okay. Okay, okay, see. The handle is okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, so me type, let me see if let me type in the handle, see if me see it. Then, so me put mm, 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 Alright, so me type in the handle then, see if it come up. Alright, me type in the handle alone and see if it come up. Silent Waters, how are you doing? Persons in the comment section, how are you doing? Hope all is well. Any bless. Like to cook sometimes. Okay, that's nice. Abby, talk to you, your people. Don't let me distract you. Okay, yes. So guys, my day was all work. Yeah, guys, just a minute. Let me just finish up. You know, sometimes when I do this, I have to focus, cause if me not focus, me I go type in one letter where, you know, me have to go still go back go take out it. That's me. Boy. Yes, guys, so big up on yourself. Hope your day went well today. Hope your day went well today. Yeah, my day was busy. But you know, we give God thanks to life still. Alright, so me type in that one. So let's see what comes up. Search. Ken Blessings. Countryside, Jamaica. Ken Blessings. Classic. Hi, Classic. How are you? How are you doing? Hope all is well. How was your day? Thank you so much for joining. Alright, I'm gonna watch Ken Blessings and see if it come. How was your day today, Classic? Hope all is well. Thank you for joining. Yes. Classic say I am in the background. Okay. Long time because I am shopping. Okay. Okay, so buy something for me. Me too. Silent Watchers, how are you doing? Hope all is well. Oh. Hope everyone had a great day today still, despite the busyness of things. Hope we all had a great day. Well, we can't complain apart from the tiredness. I'm not gonna really say party. Hey, a long time I use that word. I'm not gonna really say party. Yeah. But we give God thanks for life. His grace and mercy brought us through the day, and He will always continue to guide and yes. Alright. Alright. Me see somebody look like somebody me know on camera. But me see this one. Alright. Yes guys, somebody here go on. There are going in the classics. KK say in blue. In blue. It's a Wednesday to remember. Wow. Mm. Classic, big up yourself. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking and staying with A and I. KK, big up yourself. Silent watchers, all the persons who joined, and maybe you're gone. Mm-hmm. Later on again, we still gonna do our next live, but to me the year I try look, see if me see this up on the TV. It a go show up eventually though. It's gonna show up. Sometimes it take a little time for it show up. But it a go show up. And once me type it in, it a go show up. It not show up yet. Mm-hmm. Yeah, thank you for the art emojis, KK. Thank you guys so much for joining. Yeah. So, it's awesome. As soon as it come up, I go watch the video and stuff like that. That's a great thing to do though. Up to today, when I was coming from, when I carried my daughter from school, I saw a lady, you know, coming down to the gate here. She was like further up from the gate, further up the road there, so from the gate. So while I was coming down the road, I'm saying, people homeless, and the lady was sitting down on the roadside. So me I said, the lady here not come from here. She not come from here at all. She was like sitting on the roadside. And me I said, the lady here not come from here at all. I first me I see her, but she look like she not so 100 in her head space still, but why rough? It is rough. Yaba pot. Mm-hmm. It is good when time somebody can go out, and render assistance to people. God will bless you greatly for it. Yeah. Oh Lord. Mm-hmm. Rice. JK said just reach home. Really? Just reach home and taking some breeze on my veranda. Okay, okay, okay. Me can't go on veranda right now. I pay a mosquito. You know what day when I put up the Christmas tree, the Christmas light them. May I tell you say the amount of mosquito where they over my head. Man, at 6 o'clock so. And sometimes the mosquito not there, but maybe through the rain, the upper rain will fall. Them enough. Be a mosquito. If you don't lock your door early, them come inside. Mm-hmm. So you have to make sure you lock up early. Normally they would have fog the place. I don't know how they not fog the place all now yet. I don't know what's going on with that. They not fog the place all now. and thing. KK said not the first. I am doing it. I just don't put out videos. Okay, okay. Okay. Oh yeah, do it long time, KK. That is good. If I even long time I do it, that is good. That is a good thing to do. That is a good thing to do. Mother do something like that too. Yeah. I like to see when people have, I know we alone supposed to, I would say, in a space where you have clothes, you have shoes, you have food, the homeless supposed to have as well. Somebody should always be there to give something. That is true. Silent watchers, big up yourself. Thank you guys so much for staying with me, yeah? KK said no, not long. No, not long time here. Lord God. It's nice though. It's a nice thing to do. It's a nice thing to do. I see some persons go around and like them. I see this guy. He meet this. The guy looks like he's a young person, but it happens that I don't know what happened to him. He look like him kind of not so 100, but I guess the guy where look about him and give him the change of clothes and stuff like that. He look like him know him. So him see to it that him beard and fix him up nice and give him some clean clothes to put on and shoes and stuff like that. Yeah, that is good. We have to care about others. We can't care about only ourselves. One day when I am going, you can come. Okay, thank you. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, so you mean. Make sure you call me now. Make sure you call me, because I would come. I would surely come. That is so nice. I would love to come with your KK. Yeah. I would love to come with you. I feel so. When I see that comment there a while ago, I feel good. Yeah. I feel really, really good. Brothers and sisters from another mother. Yeah. So just let me know. Just let me know. And thing. I can come with you guys. My God. Sometimes it touch your heart, when you see. Sometimes you want to do more and you can't. It touch your heart. even in Spanish Town, I saw a man. It's like two of them. They there now. That is asking for change. You have a younger guy. He cannot see, and he normally comes and get his chair and he sit down somewhere near up to Shoppers Fair, right at the stop. One sign that they stop. Yeah, right there, so them have a restaurant. He's always there during the day asking for change. Him have like one pan and him shake the pan with the silver. Persons come and put something in there, I'm telling you. And then further down from there, so you have a elderly man as well. He cannot see as well, and he's asking for change as well. Yeah, so you know, there is also this man. He's always calling to me. He's in the plaza every day. He's in the plaza. He has like one leg, yeah. So he's always in the plaza. So you know, people normally stop and assist him by giving him something. They give him a money or so, and you know, by the end of the day, when him ready to go home, he can buy food, we carry home and stuff like that. Yeah. No, they say it's not an easy road, I'm telling you. You know, a lot of persons don't know what it feels like to be hungry and in need. Class KK, the last time I gave about 35 food, but not doing so much this time because I couldn't find enough people in Spanish Town. Oh yes, Spanish in a Spanish Town you don't really have no whole heap like that. In a Spanish Town you have a few, but you don't have whole heap in there. You don't mostly find good amount downtown. You have a few in Spanish Town. Mostly downtown, most of them they downtown. I know what it is to be hungry. Me know too. I tell you. And I want easy something. You know. And a lot of people more time them waste food, may I tell you. Waste food. I will never waste food. Because you see when time you waste the food and then when you don't have it now, you think back on the food where you waste. You think back on the food where you throw away. May I tell you. I say, boy, if we did just put up that in the fridge, I would have can warm it up today. Seriously. Why sometimes when you see when the coffee give out the food and the persons join the line to get the food. Oh my God. It brings me right back my mind just run right back down to Black River, St. Elizabeth and them place there right now. down there so my mind can't just know. It's not easy, man. It is rough. You know, sometimes when the food come about and then, you know, them worried say maybe them not go get none of the food. So sometimes that cause the line for kinda be, it's like there is a line but there is no line because them worried say maybe the food are gonna run out on them. KK said I wanted to do it for Christmas but didn't get the time, so I still their Christmas cake. Oh, so I still. Oh, y'all give them Christmas cake. That is nice. Normally, yeah, they give them Christmas cake, Christmas time. Well, you can still give them same way, cause you know, you can still give them same way. Boy, you're rough. It is very, very rough. You know, I said to myself the other day, I said, boy, if me have it, we would have built up a shelter. We put some homeless people. You know, a shelter where everybody have them own room. I'm not going to put them under a shelter where, like a big shelter, where everybody, I see everybody. Put them, build a shelter. You call it a shelter because, you know, it's a shelter for the homeless. But everybody are gonna have them separate rooms. They have them separate rooms. So if per se somebody feel motivated then and feel say well then yeah, them can go out and you know, them in a them right mind, them can go out and get a job and you know come back to the shelter, work every day, whenever day them get work to do, come back to the shelter, have their own little income in them pocket and something, you know, get independent and all of that. So even though you're working, you know, you can still come back because that's your home eventually. Yeah, so that would be nice. They get a shelter where everybody have them own room. Have them own room. And I would say don't share bathroom space either. Because sometimes that too will cause a problem with others. So I would say everybody have their own bathroom. Everybody have their own bathroom. A room and you can step right out of the room and you know go in at the bathroom. So the bathroom would be like next to the bedroom. Yeah. They have people, if per se they don't know how to like keep their little space clean, they would like have persons will come in and assist them, you know, by showing them the ropes, how to do this, how to do that constantly. They will eventually get the hang of it and start to clean up on their own and stuff like that. Yes, that would be nice. Yeah, of course. I said it to myself the other day. If only I had money. Build up a shelter. Oh my God. Just imagine when the hurricane come the other day as well. Cause you know, a lot of them, they not go probably say go to the shelter where them have like the school and them place there where them have a shelter. Because you know most persons have to leave them home as well and go to the shelter. So sometimes you find the homeless, they say they don't want to go to the shelter. And they have their reason why they don't want to go. Right? So, you know, if you make them not feel bothered by anybody, you build up a shelter, you give them food, clothes, shoes, see to it that them take care of themselves, see to it that they are in good health. You know, that is even a I would say jobs for persons as well, you know. So once they are at the shelter, you know, persons come in to see to it that they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. Taking care of the place, taking care of themselves, and just doing the right thing. Mm-hmm. So, yeah, that would be great. That would be great. You know, a lot of time persons have money and they're using it to do, I would say, things that not really important. But you know how a person feel when you take them off of the roadside and you put a shelter over their head. How happy them feel that them not have to sleep out a road on the roadside tonight. You know? Them not feel worry say boy tonight alright, I saw me asleep on the roadside and you know it can be sometimes. The dangers and all of that. Being out on the roadside at night as a person. And you know, most of the time I see, you know, they have like women as well out there that are homeless. Oh my God. The last time I went to Kingston, and that was just the other day, we saw a lady. She was like probably in her, maybe she probably 50 odd, 50 something. And I'm telling you, she was there sitting down on the roadside with her little bag in her hand. And I was saying to my husband, why is he sitting down there? Him said to me, you know, she said, homeless, the lady homeless. Me say, oh God, wow. You know, cause she looked to me, you'd say she has somebody where maybe she just come in the town to get something or, you know. But when you see she sit down on the roadside there, you know, say, well then, that's where she call home. Right on the roadside. Boy, it rough. Things need to improve for the homeless. You can't stay like that. During the nights, as a homeless person, they probably go through a lot during the nights, being on the road. They go through a lot. Mm-hmm. So, you know, Guys, join hearts and hands together and build up somewhere for the homeless. You have even the mental health persons, people with mental health on the road as well. Yeah. It says it's not an easy road. It's not an easy road, I tell you. It's rough. Very, very rough. So I'm telling you, if a day comes where I see myself having enough money, I can help to build up somewhere, I will do so. As long as the government is giving the land. Yes, the government giving the land, we can build up somewhere for them to stay. Amen. Yes, because you have a whole heap of land. When you look and see land they all both spread out. Pay bush upon them, nothing else. So they can even think of it as well too, and organize it and build up somewhere for them to stay. If it is even to get food for the poor, to build the houses for them, just clear a spot of place, a land, right? Clear a piece of land and get food for the poor to build up some houses for the homeless so that they will have a shelter over them head. They have somewhere to call home. These people don't know what experience they have been through, right? They have been through a lot and still going through a lot. They need help. They really, really need help. They need assistance. Can't just be on the road straight through like that. They need help. They need a roof over them head. When you build a roof over them head now, you still have to have people going in and checking up on them. To show you care. Because still, you can put a roof over them head and they still don't have anything. They don't have any food and stuff like that. So, you check in to see what's going on, how things are going with them. We are all human beings, and you know what we would want for ourselves. We have to try and think and say, boy, we would want it for someone else as well. Yes. KK, anytime you're going, just let me know. Just tell me where to meet you, and I will come and meet up with you, and we will go together. Yeah, we will go together. Yeah. Silent watchers, big up yourself. Thank you for joining my live this evening, guys. I appreciate you all. KK, big up yourself. You're the applause. And Classic, thank you for joining. And all my viewers who are here, thank you so much as well for sticking and staying with A&I this evening. Yes, I'll see you guys later on. KK is tired and KK want to go, so I will see you guys later on. Thank you for joining, and look out for someone else along the way, guys. So later on, bye bye KK. No problem. Okay, no problem. Yes. So thank you guys, and later on I'm still gonna try and do a 12 o'clock live. So later on, guys, one love.